Hi guys, today we're going to be taking a look at the BenQ Screenbar desk lamp. Opening up the box, everything is nicely packaged and labeled. You get the monitor clamp, micro USB cable, and the bar itself. Initial setup is super simple. All you do is clamp the base onto the LED bar and attach the USB cable and you're ready to go. So if you have a USB port on the back of your monitor, it can go there, as well as on your computer, into the wall, or in my case, the power bank. After setting it on top of your monitor, you can completely forget about it. The lamp doesn't take up any extra space, and with the auto dimming feature, you can use it hands-free. At the top, you'll find the 4 capacitive buttons, one for power, auto dimming, color temperature, and brightness, as well as the ambient light sensor. Ideally, this light is for someone who works at their desk a lot, like a college student or office worker, or just for those who don't have the benefit of having a lit keyboard but want to be able to use it at night. I think the favorite way I found I could use this light is on top of my laptop in bed. I've always had a problem reading the keys at night, so I would either A, tip the screen down so the light shines on the keyboard, or B, turn on a huge overhead light. With this, because my laptop is on the thicker side, I can just place it on top and not have to worry about anything, which means I can start my 11:59 p.m. due paper at 10 from the comfort of my own bed. I think the only gripe I have about it is the fact that because the buttons are capacitive, you've got to be careful where you place your hand when you're moving it around. All in all, this is a unique product. When searching on Amazon, I couldn't find a single product similar to this, and since it's BenQ, you know it's quality. Anyways, if you enjoyed the video, feel free to give it a big thumbs up, and if you haven't already, subscribe to see more content. Thanks for watching.
This knife has a straight edge on it, so it's very easy. And maybe, in our world here, there lives a happy little mountain.